Alright, so I just wanted to make a quick little video of BMW ebox fans. I had such a hard time trying to find any information trying to fix this. I whipped out my ebox fan. I saw that little clip. I'm not sure where that goes, boys and girls, but that may just be something I had sitting around and it's like finally the motor got it, but I may be wrong. I don't know. But I couldn't find any help finding this part at all. Euro, and it didn't say it was for my car. I'm working on a 545i, which was only made 2 years, but it's the E60, so we got a few different options. But here's the box it came in. It said it was for the 7, the X5, and like the 330 and 328. But doesn't say it fits my car, so I had a really hard time finding it. But after just punching around on Google for a while, FCP Euro finally popped up with this little bitty motor. And I mean, if you look at them, they look exactly the same, other than it not being a Johnson. It is made in China, but I don't know, you can see that the Johnson's on there. And this is just a little bitty ebox fan. It looks about the same in all the cars, but it's just like got a different mounting plate. I don't know nothing about it, but I'm learning. I got the little squirrel cage in there. Got to mount that sucker up. But all right, I'm gonna go ahead and take these 2 wires and solder them to this motor and swap the unit over. What up? So I got this thing all soldered up, and no, it don't look as good as BMW had it. But that's okay, that's okay. We're gonna see if it works. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this doohickey right here and this rubber. It was weird, the rubber was like, I just want to put it back together the way it came out, and it was like that on both sides to where it had the slot right there. Push that down a little bit so the breathing can happen. But then I reckon what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop her back on in yonder. Well, it slides down in there perfect. And this little board right here, it's gonna sit moi, like moi. And these 2 wires are gonna go up and over. You wanna be very, very gentle with this stuff onto the motor, like moi. We're gonna go ahead and slap this sucker on. You want that little foam in there, at least I do. Maybe that wasn't the best idea, because I still gotta put my blower cage on, but whatever. Whatever. So we're gonna take the little cage, push it down like moi. The shaft was a little longer, so I want some sticking out. And we're floating. I like that, boys. All right, very nice. Blowing off, and then I'm gonna pull up. So what I did to even take this thing apart was just pulled on it. I pulled on it, came right off. Very tricky, but hopefully it works. I had some codes. I'll put the codes in the description. I don't remember what they were. There's like 27 AF or something. I can't remember exactly, but this is a 545i blower motor. I mean, not blower motor, ebox fan. I got that part off FCP Euro. I'll put a part number in the description. But hope y'all understood this, because this sucker cost 350 bucks for me. And the fact that I could get a $30 motor and just retry and just give it another chance, that's the way to go for me. These cars aren't worth very much. But all right, I'm gonna catch y'all later. E-box fan, I'm not gonna show you how to get in there, but as you can hear, it's running now. And that's how you do a $30 fix for the e-box fan instead of paying $350. I hope y'all enjoyed that. The footage is trying to get it better, but this is how I activated the fan. I put it into functional test and ran that sucker. But we already know we're good. Hope y'all enjoyed.